stupid though. What's up, class?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Damn.
This kind of math sucks.
Leapfrog. Let me go get. Bruh, hell no. It's a push door. How did they? Never mind. Oh, they on my ass. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cut his fucking head off. Come on, Teach.